How you doing? I want you to ask yourself a quick question. Are you getting a 10% income return on your investments today? Are you getting growth on your investments of 20% per annum? Have you got control over those investments? And are those investments returning an income to your businesses? Now, if they're not, you want to listen further. Hi, my name's Duncan Perkins from Tax Time Accountants. I've been an owner of the business since 2009, and the business has actually been going since 1992. Now, when I took over the business, the accounting practice was traditionally an income tax return for personal clients. So you'd roll in and roll out in 15 minutes, you'd pay $110 and get your tax return in the mail 2 weeks later. Now, the value of that client to that business was $110. We've changed the value of that client to now, some clients, to $3,000 or $4,000 in value to the business. Because we now look after their superannuation, their business planning, their estate planning, their retirement planning, their insurance needs, their finance needs, and the list goes on. And the reason we can do that are the owners in that business have those skills and qualities in their own businesses that attach to Tax Time Accountants. So what happened is when we purchased the business, we've taken the value of that business through the roof. Well, 20% growth per annum. It's also giving us an income of 10% per annum. However, the retained profits are showing that the term of the investment, which was initially based on 10 years, will be paid out in 5 years. Which brings me to the reasoning of what I'm talking to you today about. I want to take that same model, that same concept to North Brisbane and also to Gold Coast. And the investment will be approximately $500,000. Now, the $500,000 is made up of, to purchase an accounting practice, they're at 0.7% of the purchase price, of the gross per annum. So if the gross per annum is $500,000 in accounting practice, I'll need about $380,000 plus $120,000 for cash flow purposes. I want you to invest in that. Now, you can buy into parcels of 100 units at $1,000 a unit, and that's your business. All I'm doing in the background is I'm helping out with the model and the structure and how it all works. I'll also be an investor in the business as well, so don't worry about that. But I'll be more of a passive investor, not so much an active investor. I can be active if you want me to be, though. I'm happy to help. Now, this investment is guaranteed by me. So in other words, if you don't like it, if you want to get out, and that's being 2 years in, I will buy your shares from you at the market value as what they are. And there's more in regards to the writings on that. I believe that this is a fantastic investment and one you should look at further. It gives you 4 types of investment. It gives you control. It gives you income. It gives you growth in not only tax time in the business that you buy, but also your own. Talk to you soon.